Hey guys, Lightspan's More here. We picked up this Roomba 675 series from iRobot for $96. This is a pretty good product. This is our third robot in our house. Our first ever one was an iRobot 500 series, which was pretty good except for the fact that the swivel brush and the battery stopped working. So there won't be any comparisons, but this will basically go into our big piano room here. And we've got a lot to do, so let's start off with the unboxing. Alright, so the box has been cut open just a little bit just to make sure that everything is in here. And now we are simply ready to open this. Got a special, here you have a special instruction manual for the robot itself in this simple thing right here. Got a special pamphlet that basically shows you the steps for it. Even got another piece right here. And this is basically the user's manual for the robot. It goes step by step, and it has different languages and everything. So this is a great thing that it is equipped with. So as we continue on, you'll notice we have a filter for it, and this is the filter for the Aerovac bin. I'll explain that later. Here, that we see right here, this piece, this is the dock. This is basically where your robot will be sitting in, and that's how it charges. Charges simply by setting it right into this docking station right here. So, and of course, we have the robot itself. Let me try to get this extra excess out of here. That might be hard to do on camera, but we'll open that up. And we'll take it out the rack. And ta-da! There is the robot itself. And that is a pretty nice thing. I'm so happy to get it set up. So there it is. It obviously does not work yet, and I'll explain that later. So anyways, let's see if there's anything else in the box. And of course, in the box comes with a power cable for the docking station as well. So let me untangle this. Power cord here. That's pretty much everything in the box. I'm not entirely sure if it came with a virtual wall barrier, but I think it's not embedded into it. I think you have to purchase it separately. But here is the dock for it. So let's go ahead and start finding a place for the docking station. Stay tuned. So I'm going to put the dock right here. This seems like a good place for it. And now I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to have to use two hands to do this, so stay tuned. Plug it into there. Put it right there. Gonna untangle this thing, this other plug, and plug the other side into the outlet. I have to move this a little bit. now it's basically plugged in. We'll come back. So, yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, the robot does not work. And that's because if I flip the robot over, you can see it's this part. You can see this is the battery tab that activates the battery. Because if I were to put the robot into the charger without it, it's going to give me a charging error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out this battery tab and I'll see what the reaction will be. And I'll do a little countdown in 3, 2, 1. See if the robot does something. Okay, you can see it's warming up. Very nice. And now you'll notice that it is on. The battery tab is off. And now we can start setting up. But anyways, let me demonstrate the charging. So I'm gonna manually take it to the charger. You can see it creates a connector and it connects right to the plug. So let's begin the setup. Alright guys, so we just set up the Wi-Fi for the robot. Now we're going to connect the robot to the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn the robot on. And when I do, they are asking me to push the spot and dock button for 2 seconds. And it'll make a sound that will tell you that it's going to connect. So here we go. There you go. You can see that this light is flashing. So we'll get ready for setup. It just told us, the robot just told me that it's connected to Roomba. Now all we just have to do is just follow the instructions on the home app and complete the setup.
Got it ready to go. We hope you enjoy your robot.
Alright you guys, it is complete. The robot has been set up and it's now ready for use. Alright guys, so the robot is fully set up. Right now it just needs just an hour as it will charge and get ready to start cleaning. We haven't programmed a schedule yet, but we will pretty soon. Alright guys, so this concludes the video of setting up our new iRobot Roomba 675 series. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also leave a comment below what you think about our new robot. And I'll see you guys in another video. Lights out!